Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term particulars in. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, particulars in is details or specific information included in a statement or report. People use it when they want to emphasize exact facts or details. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Particulars in first showed up as a phrase used in legal and formal reports. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people discussing precise information. Now let's check out how to use particulars in a sentence. Correct example 1. She asked for the particulars in the report before approving the project. Correct example 2. Can you give me the particulars in the invite so I know where to go? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said particulars in at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using particulars in right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Particulars in means details or specific information included in a statement or report. It started in legal and formal contexts, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with particulars in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.